Good morning. All right, here we go with another one. We got a roof wash. What we're going to do today is we're going to do the roof wash, and we're washing the pool enclosure, cleaning out the gutters. I got Jose in the back doing that right now. He just got done doing these, and then we got a little pergola in the back with a patio around it, like a little pad around it. So this is what we got today. Got a little early start, about 8:30 right now. I assume we'll be done by like 1. It won't be too bad. The roof is not horrible, but I'll get you up here a little bit. Show you what we got going on. And I gotta go put my roof boots on because these ain't cutting it. These ain't gonna cut it. I gotta blow off this roof and see all the mold on here. It's really evident right here. We got Jose over here. What's up, Jose? So we're gonna do this cage and that pergola back there. And that's what we got going on. Stay tuned. All right, ready? Showtime. All right, here we are. Get this roof washed. Let's start with the back first. You're right here, Jose. Jose! Gotta give me that, man. Got it. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go, I'm just gonna stay right here and go straight. So just keep giving me line. When you hear me yell, that means we're good. Let's see how long his pants stay blue and black. And his shirt and his hat. Let's take a poll. How long that's gonna last. Like this?
You know, you buy the container, you put in the spray bottle.
Oh, from like Lowe's or something? Yeah, that doesn't work that good.
I put the producer like this. I think that the pressure wash.
This type of roof? Pressure wash? Nah, that's bad, man. Yeah, that's you destroy the roof like that. You take all this shit off. This comes off with the rain. Imagine with the pressure washer. Yeah, that's.
No, no pressure washer, you know, like shower.
When I left their boots there. Probably just use this one, I guess. Big Panther. Let me just soak this whole thing. I hate these doors. These right here, I hate these ones. I like the one with the
My
little.
sister's got the tiny one.
I like the one with the little metal in there, the older one.
The old one.
That one there, you just and it close. Yeah. All right, we're all done here. Using a selfie stick, I don't really ever use it, but here's the roof all nice and clean. It's all black. All nice and clean. Pool cage, all that came out nice too. I'm not gonna go back there, but it's a long day, so we're getting out of here. But that's what we got going on. And we're out of here. It's me and Jose. Adios.
Bye, people.